Hello class 11, welcome back. Dear student, this is the video number 10 of chapter number 2, biological classification. In this video, we will study about the kingdom fungi. So let's start about the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi having approximately 1 lakh species. It is a huge number of species having the kingdom fungi. They all are the heterotrophic, non-chlorophyllous group of plant having diverse habitat. They found in the diverse habitat. They found on the snow, they found on the soil, they found in the aquatic habitat. So much habitat the kingdom fungi are found. The mushroom which are the edible, they are also the member of kingdom fungi. They may be parasites, they may be disease causing. So much type of fungi are found in the nature. The main diseases which are caused by fungi are white spot leaf on mustard. The leaf of mustard, it looks like white spotted, that is caused by fungus. Some more diseases we will see in the moving forward. Yeast is a unicellular fungus. Except the yeast, most of all fungi are multicellular. They having a long thread-like structure known as hyphae, and the network of these long thread-like hyphae is collectively known as mycelium. The fungi the fungi hyphae may be cynocytic, means aseptate or septate. See the figure, this is the single hyphae of fungus having a cynocytic condition. So many nucleus, these all are the nucleus, and aseptate, no any septation. These all are the nucleus, more than one nucleus formed inside a single hyphae. This condition is known as cynocytic condition and cynocytic hyphae. If this hyphae is septate, divided by a wall membrane, and each cell is differentiated having single nucleus, so this is known as septate condition. So fungi may be cynocytic or septate, aseptate or septate. The reproduction in the fungus is by vegetative, asexual and sexual mode. In the asexual reproduction, they form the conidia, spore, zoospore, ascospore, basidiospore, conidiospore. So many type of spore they form in the asexual reproduction. And in the sexual reproduction, there are three main important events occur. First of all, the fusion of protoplasm occurs, that is known as plasmogamy. Then the fusion of two nuclei, that is known as karyogamy. And then meiosis. The haploid spores are formed, and these spores further mix together and form a diploid zygote. So these three steps involved in the sexual mode of reproduction in the case of fungi. See, n plus n is equal to 2n, means n is the half number of chromosome. Haploid gamete, male and female, they form the diploid zygote. Haploid plus haploid is equal to diploid. In the hyphae of the fungus, they also show the dikaryotic stage or dikaryotic phase. So the dikaryotic phase means one single cell having two nucleus. The number of nucleus is 2 in a single cell. If such a condition is found, so one cell having two nucleus, this is known as dikaryotic stage found in the case of fungus. So these fungi are further classified on the basis of their mycelium and occurrence nature. They are 4 types. First one is the phycomycetes, then ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteromycetes. These are the 4 categories of fungus. Let us see about the phycomycetes. Phycomycetes is an aquatic fungus. They found on the moist places, found on the moist wood, damp places, damp soil, etc. Example is the rhizopus, which is also known as the bread mold, and albugo. Albugo is found on the mustard leaf. They are the parasitic. They cause the disease. Albugo candida. The full name is Albugo candida. And Rhizopus is a bread mold, member of Phycomycetes. Some fungi are also symbiont. They are the symbiotic condition. They show the symbiosis. They live with the alga and form lichens, or they live with the higher plants. For example, pinus root. They form the mycorrhiza. So some fungi live in the symbiotic condition also. So Phycomycetes having the Rhizopus and Albugo. Now see the Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is known as sac fungi. The main example is Penicillium, and they may be coprophilous, growing on dung. Growing on dung. The fungus grown on dung, either it is cow dung or any buffalo dung. So they are known as coprophilous. And the most important member of Ascomycetes is Neurospora. Neurospora is the genetical experimental fungi, and Neurospora is the Drosophila of the kingdom fungi, because it is used for the genetic work. It is used for genetical work. Morels and buffels. Morels and buffels are two type of fungus which are edible fungus, as like mushroom. So morels and buffels are edible fungus, belongs to the category Ascomycetes. Then see about the Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes is a club fungus, look like a club, and main example is Agaricus. Some members are parasite, mushroom. Some members causes disease, rust, smut. Astilava and Coccinia are the another member of the Basidiomycetes, and the mushroom is the common edible fungus. And the last one is the Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes is also known as fungi imperfecti, because they have only vegetative and asexual reproduction is known. There is no sexual reproduction is known in the Deuteromycetes. Due to absence of sexual reproduction, they are known as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungus. The main member is Alternaria, Coletotrichum and Trichoderma. When the sexual mode of reproduction is observed, they may be placed into the another class of the fungi, but still they live in the Deuteromycetes group. So these are the four class of fungus on the basis of their mycelium, hyphae and habit structure: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. So this is all about kingdom fungi and video number 10. In the next video, video number 11, we will discuss about brief introduction of kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia.